just got this thing all untied. Now we're taking this back to town to change the motor out. So Mark's driving it out of the slip now. We'll guide him back. Looking good back here. Good back here. Looking good back here. Now Billy's backing up to us. We'll get this thing hooked on the trailer.
bad boy. We have to pressure wash the bottom of every one of these houseboats that we bring in. It's required by National Park Service that the boat go back in the water clean, free of mussels. So every time we get a houseboat that comes into our yard, which is every day pretty much, we have to pressure wash it. And everybody thinks it's so easy, but it's not. It's tiring. You can see you have to sit under that boat and just hammer down on spraying. And Junior, the last pirate of Lake Powell, he loves it, man. I'll put him on different projects, and when a boat comes in, he'll come and ask me, it's time to pressure wash that boat, right, boss? He loves doing that, dude, and not a lot of people do. We got the forklift set up. Looks like they've extended out the... Oh man, we got 3 of them. Mark's laying down, doing nothing. Carson's standing over it, doing nothing. Justin's the only one working over here. But here it comes. We kind of had good timing on this one.
Yeah, on this side. Hold on. Okay.
So they de-rigged this thing already.
Just gotta wash this cable. Here we go.
Now they're just going to use the chain hoist and some muscles. Old man Mark is the smart one over here, is making these young bucks do all the work.
Clear that. Hold on. Ooh, we gotta make sure we clear this
out a little more.
Yeah, we gotta clear the couple of edges. Grab a rack for that one. Alright. Get on this side. Get ready to go this way. Yep.
Almost there.
Alright, Carson?
Yeah.
Is that gonna come out the gate, you think?
Yeah, I think we'll be able to get it out and over. Before we
I'm
go,
not sure you're gonna be able to get, maybe, I guess if you, yeah.
I want to put a rag and tape up this line here before we go so we don't get anything on the carpet. Okay. I think everything else is okay.
I might have one in my bag.
Copy.
Tie or something?
I got some tape.
Okay.
just stick it somewhere in the top so it's not coming down. It's not leaking at all.
Hang on, so don't go anywhere. Alright, I think we just need to stay straight and come straight out. I've got a little bit more. But also, if we get clear, we can come up because we're bent
To go
down.
over the fence
Yeah.
to the gate.
Okay. I would just keep it perfectly straight and come straight back.
And you just relay a caution so I can see caution because I can't hear shit. So yeah, we'll just come straight back and then once we get closer to the gate, we'll yeah, we should be able to go up and up.
Okay. Ready?
Alright, coming back.
Coming back.
Looking all right.
Think it's gonna go out the gate?
Yeah, we're gonna get it out. Might have to go over, but we've got enough room to go up with it. Come up, Mark. Hold that. Okay, come a little bit more. Back.
What do you want me to do, Justin?
Watch that side.
Copy. I think we're gonna hit on this side.
Okay, stop.
We're probably gonna have to rotate it.
You might have just enough. Go ahead and go up a little more.
Come up.
Yeah, cool. Try make it. Yep.
Just watch that top too, Justin. It's not gonna bounce. Ooh, just enough. Very nice.
Nope, no swing, no swing, no swing.
We're just putting this in the bay.
And she's out. We need to rig it up onto a pallet because we're shipping this one out. There we go. Starboard engine is out. Now we'll throw it on a pallet, rig it up, and ship it down to Flagstaff, Arizona for a quick reman.